So you finally installed Gcam, the most advanced camera app, allowed all the permission and took one photo, but the photo looks like this. Don't worry guys, in this video I will show you the best Gcam setting so you can take amazing crispy photos. So let's begin. So before the setting the picture looked like this, and after it looked like this. Go to saturation and follow my settings. Now this can be your personal choice too. If you don't like more vibrant colors, then take one scale lower. But if you want more crispy photos, follow my exact setting. Once it's done, just reboot your camera app. And now you will see major difference in your normal images as well as astrophotography images. And if you appreciate my work, please like this video.